have a lot of ideas now. You're going to come up with a new comprehensive mobility plan?
Already they are working out, working with various stakeholders on this issue.
Sir, also Mumbai's tunnel roads are seeing a lot of traffic jam, and there is a lot of criticism for the tunnel road plan here. How do you?
Sir,
Whatever you do, what work you do, you can't survive without criticism. Criticism is a part of our life. No one will praise you for any work. Only after your death, people will praise you.
Sir,
when you are alive, everyone will criticize.
No,
Sir, but the tunnel roads in Mumbai are seeing traffic jams.
Sir,
Because they have not done end to end. They are doing. They have taken 5 kilometers only and then stopped. So we are doing the end to end.
We are not doing 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. We have taken 17 kilometers.
Sir, one thing is, sir,
23 kilometers one side and that is one side.
Sir, before the assembly election, Congress party promised that you increase the public transport share in Bangalore. Sir, what now you are doing is the exact opposite. You are proposing tunnel road, you are proposing double decker. You are not increasing the number of buses. You are not increasing the metro network.
Who said? You are not taking the account.
Sir, you have slowed down the metro work because of the double decker.
Who said there is all whatever we are doing double decker in new areas. New areas. Whatever is there, we have given a plan to them, we have given a deadline to them. Before 2026, even the third phase will be
Phase 2A, 2B.
2A, 2B will be over. That is why I reviewed the entire system.
ಸರ್ ಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಜಯನಗರ ಡಬಲ್ ಡೆಕ್ಕರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ 17 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅನಧಿಕೃತ ಆಸ್ತಿಗಳಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅದು ನೀವು ಆಥರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 17 lakhs
7 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ.
25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಖಾತೆಗಳು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 17 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ
7 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ನಾನೀಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಡೀರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.